Hello sir, this is Sneha Martin, you are 1 for CS212 and this is my exercise on single pass assembler for SIC to stimulate the concept of single pass assembler for simplified instructional computer. An assembler is a program that accepts as input an assembly language program and produces its machine language equivalent along with the information for loader. Advantage of coding in assembly language are provides more control over handling particular hardware components, may generate smaller, more compact executable modules and often result in faster execution. For that, first we include few header files known as stdio, stdlib, corneo and string, and then under the main function we include the files f1, f2, f3, f4, f5, and then we declare integers lc, sa, I, j, m is an array, and then pgm, len, k, len1 and l is initialized as 0. Then character array name, opnd, la, mne, s1, mne1, opnd1, and then character array lcs and ms, and character array again sym, adr, obj1, obj2, s2, q, s3, and then we use the fopen to open the files, that is f1, f2, f3, f4 and f5, whose names are input.txt, optab.txt, simtab.txt, simtab1.txt, output.txt. And then we read the input f1, la, mne and operand, and if the string is compared with compared of mn, e is equal to star is equal to 0, then sa is equal to atoi of operand string copy name comma la, and then lc is equal to sa, and then string copy s1 equal to star fscan file la, mne and operand, while string compare mne of end is not equal to 0. If compare la, that is hyphen is equal to 0, then we scan for the file 2, and then mne and operand are read, and then while not end of file f2, then we string compare the mne1 and mne is equal to 0, then m of I is equal to lc plus 1, then we print the file f3, opnd and s1, and we print the file f5, opnd1, lc is equal to lc plus 3 and I is equal to I plus 1, and we exit from the loop. Else fscan f2, mne1 and opnd1. Else we seek the file f3, 0, and then we read the value of f3 file sym and sym address, symbol address, and while not equal to end of file f3, then we compare the string sym la is equal to 0, then itoa of lc, lcs is 10, and then we print the file f4 whose values are la and lcs, and itoa marray and ms and 10, and j is incremented, and then we print the file f5 whose values ms and lcs, and then I is incremented and exited from the loop. Else fscan we read the file number 3, we read the sim and sim address, and if string is compared with mne equal to reset word is equal to 0, then lc is equal to lc plus 3 star atoi operand. Else if string compared with mne, if it is byte equal to 0, then we compare the string, and then we copy the string s2 to hyphen, and then the length is equal to string length of the operand, and then lc is equal to lc plus len minus q. Under the for loop increment, we read the ql array with the operand k, and then we l is equal to l plus 1. We increment the l value, and then we print the file f5, and we break from the loop, and else if we compare the string of mn is equal to reset byte is equal to 0, lc is equal to lc plus atoi operand, else if this, and then we exit from the loop, and then we seek for the file 2, and similarly we read the program length, and then we read the file 5's input, and similarly while it is not end of the file f5, we compare the object 2 of 0 0 0 is not equal to 0, and if the string compare is object 2 is minus, it's not equal to 0, and if string compare of object 2 is hash not equal to 0, then we print a new line, which we print t02 object 1 and object 2, and we read the object of f5 object 1 and 2, and we print the output sa, and we read the output, and then first let us compile. There's no error, and then we run the file, and we get the output. Thank you sir for watching this video.